Good morning. Today we're going to do the sound eh, with a dot on the top. My turn, your turn. Eh, 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 eh. Good. Let's see the picture that goes with it. It's of an insect. When you see this, say insect, and when you see this, say insect. Insect. Look who's here. It's Fred. Fred is going to whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend them. It. Is. In. Ink. Ink. Well done. Give yourselves a microwave. Now it's time to play the game where we hide the in our pack and you need to point. Are you ready? Here we go. T, x, a, d, s, qu. Always followed by a, t, z. Okay, let's shuffle again. See if we can find it this time. Here we go. Z, e, a, q, t, d, x, s. Well done. Time to do some Fred says. Let's sound it out together. Some of the is are at the beginning and some are in the middle. It, in, pin, sit. Fred said you did so well. Let's try and do some Fred in the head. So I'm going to shuffle these up a bit. Here we go. So this time I'm going to hold it here. You read it, and when I push it out, we'll say it together. It. Sit. In. Pin. Good, well done everybody. Your job now is to go back and practice writing the I. So let's see how we do that. We go down the body of the insect and then put a dot for the head. So down the body of the insect and a dot for the head. I'd like you to practice writing that on your sheet. Then I would like you to draw the two words that have I in it. And then I would like you to spell two words. This time I'm going to put the I in the middle. The first word is the word bin, and the second word is the word hit. Have a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing your work. Bye!